Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be making something very sweet and also very simple that will help you during this cold season, and there's a secret ingredient that I'm sure you love. So if you can guess what the secret ingredient is, let me know in the comment section below. But for now, remember to stick till the end to know what it is. Karibuni. Begin by first adding some oil into your sufuria, followed by some butter. The butter is optional, and as you can see, this is proof of how cold it is. The butter is just refusing to get out of the spoon. Then next, add in your onions and fry until translucent. Ensure you don't burn the oil, and it will turn brown like mine. Then add in your garlic paste. Fry until you can smell the aroma from the garlic. That's like about 1 minute. Then next, add in your mushrooms. Ensure you don't add in any more water into the mushrooms because mushrooms have their own water. Stir to mix, then cover and let your mushrooms cook for about 10 minutes until all the water from the mushrooms has evaporated. After 10 minutes, your mushrooms should be ready. Then next, add in like a quarter cup of water. This ensures that the cooking cream won't lighten up. So next, after the water, add in your cooking cream. This is about 1 cup of cooking cream. Then here's the secret ingredient. We have added some bay leaves. This is about a quarter cup of bay leaves. The same amount that you'll add of water is the same amount you're going to add for the bay leaves. Then add in your spices. Over here I've used thyme and some black pepper. Then add in your salt into your mixture. Stir to mix everything together. Remember, unflavored meal is not tasty, so remember to flavor it at all times. Let it boil for some time. Once boiled for about 5 minutes, remove and let it cool. Then pour in the mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. Finally, transfer back your blended mixture into your sufuria to just heat up a bit. Then once ready, remove and serve and enjoy your soup. Remember to keep warm as you have a tasty soup near you. We are finally done with the output of our soup. So as usual, you're going to taste and make sure that we got it right, or it was a disappointment. So definitely we're going to taste. Wow, just perfect for the season. If you don't have a blanket, this will help you keep warm. But also remember to have a blanket with you. It's quite cold and chilly, and with the flu that has been going around, you don't want it to come near your door. Yeah, so thank you so much for being here. Remember to subscribe, and also let me know in the comment section below what you want to see us prepare next. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and share with your family and friends, and let's grow to a big community.